Hello, good morning, good afternoon. How are you doing over there? This is Dan and this is Dan Tech channel. Actually, if you are starting to trend, if you are learning maybe to trend on YouTube in some videos, there are some ones that will always confuse you because you will hear people saying, "Oh, I trade Forex, I don't trade binary." Some of you will just tell you, "I don't trade binary, I trade Forex, I trade Forex and don't trade binary." So what is the difference between binary and Forex trading? Because if you are beginner, this will totally confuse you, but I'm going to break it down for you so that you can just understand. If you just choose which is the way you just want to choose, whether it is binary, you can start trading on binary. Whether it is Forex, you can just start trading on Forex, because those two things are very and totally different from each other. Now, when it comes to the binary trending, of course, this is where you hear so many people have the bot for the trending, because this just operate because binary, when it comes to binary, they have that option of you allowing you to loan the bot. Bot is just a program. You just program something like a robot and it just upload it to the binary. You tell us do this and do this, take the profit, take the loss at this time, and it will exactly do that for you on the live market. Now, where on the binary, again, binary is different. The word buy, for those you learned come only someone biology, you know the word buy means two things. Buy means two. So when it comes to binary trading, this is where you get a lot of platform allowing you to do only two options. That is two options. You have to win or lose. You can predict when the market is. For those who have known, like SPA option is one of the platform that has been advertised so much on the internet. You know, when the market, you can predict whether the market is just going up or going down. So it is up, down. You can see you have two options. When it comes to other binary, you can just decide whether to predict whether the last value of the, for example, whether it is Bitcoin, maybe you predict after 5 tick, that is 1 2 3 4 5. You just predict whether at the 5th click whether it is going to be even or odd number. So you can see in the binary, you are going to predict two options: this or this, this or this, this or this. So you always have 50% of the winning rate of some values, but there are also some values that are high winning rate. It's just like somehow like betting, but I don't want to call it just like that, because also there is you can predict the number that is going maybe to come the last. You can say that this is Ethereum and the last value, this is Ethereum USD, and you predict that the value of the Ethereum, the last digit in 5 minutes is going to be hold, or even it is going to, maybe you can even then give you also an option to say whether it is going to be 3, whether it is going to be 5, whether it's going to be 2. And you can see after, because you know there is how many numbers, there is 1 to 0 or 0 to 9. That's what we can just say that. So you can just predict whether at in 1 minute the last digit is going to be 1, then you're going to win a high, something like that. And you can predict whether the last number is not going to be that one. So actually that is what the binary deals with, that only that predictions of the numbers, up the market, where the market is going to be down or low. After this, what is going to happen? That is what we call binary. Two options. That is what you have buy, and you see on the binary.com, you will see it in SPA option. I've not been dealing with binary, so probably don't know many brokers of the binary. Now when it comes to Forex trading here, okay, on the binary side you can trade anything, because you can trade crypto, you can trade currencies. Now when it comes to Forex trading, here we trade currencies. We trade what? We trade currencies. For example, we trade pairs, and here you don't have any limit. Of course, that what makes it different from the binary. Here you don't have there is no two options. Of course, you can predict, you can buy at any time and wait forever. If you just want it, maybe 10 years, you can just come and sell. Let's say you buy, for example, you buy euro, it's just going like $1.03 at this moment, and it just drop and goes against you. Of course, if you just have enough money and you don't get liquidated, you can just wait until the market maybe it goes down and then it goes up again until you just get a profit. That time you can just decide to close. Forex is interesting, and I don't say that binary is not interesting because there are a lot of people who are making money, a lot of money on the binary. And of course you have to know that binary, it can make you millionaire overnight, and it can also make you rich and poor also overnight, because there's chances of making a lot of money within the shortest time possible, and also you can lose a lot of money within that shortest time. So for the forex trading, that is where we deal, that is where we have seen those graphs, people doing analysis and all that, predicting the market, putting strategies and buying those Euro USD, buying Bitcoin and Ethereum and all that. So those is the forex that we are talking about. Because on the forex, again, what is the difference? I hope you understand the difference, because on the binary it is clear, it is buy, it is true, but on the forex here you don't trend with two options. It is either you are buying or selling on the market and predicting the market whether it's going to be going high or low, you sell or you buy. So that is forex trading. And you have to know that on the binary, of course, you have that time limit. Of course, it can be 5 minutes, 10 minutes, according to what you set, 1 hour or that. But on the forex trading, there is no time, since you can just trend even 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years to come. How that there's no time limit, as long you have enough money, as long you not get liquidated. And that liquidated means is when the market goes against you until it goes negative, and so your money is no more. That is when you get liquidated. That means your money is all wiped out and you get liquidated. I hope you are brought at least some insight to you on the between forex trading and binary trading. You can choose now, where do you want to start trading? It is in the forex market, is it in the binary trading? And let me just add a bonus thing out of that. On the binary trading, you can trade either forex, you can trade crypto and all those stocks and everything. But when it comes to this platform for trading forex, there are different platforms that you can just trade differently. Like on the Binance, you can trade only crypto, stocks and all that. But on other platform, for example, the FX Pesa that I'm using, you can use the link in the description below. That is the platform I'm using right now to trade forex. You can only trade stocks, indices and currencies. So that is what we are talking. But on Binance, you can trade only cryptocurrency. Crypto are those coins that BTC, Ethereum and all that. Currencies are like Euro. Those coins that are owned by the countries. That is what we call currencies. But crypto are those coins that are virtual, like Bitcoin, Ethereum. Is not owned by any country. So that is the bonus tip of that. So if you love this video, make sure to subscribe down over there. I hope I've not confused you. I was just making it to be very simple for you. I hope you have understood. Subscribe, leave a comment section below. Let me just know what you just want me to teach you in the next video. See you next time. Goodbye.